Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Brian if you're new to this one. And today we're gonna have a new dance tutorial for you. The song called Anything by Musiq Soulchild. And let's start. Alright guys, let's start. So from this one, you're gonna open your legs first. So from here, you're gonna cross 1 and 2. Alright? Then side 3 and close 4. Go to the front 5, away on 6, drop on 7, and the 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4. Away 6, 7, and 8. Let's do it faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Good job. Alright guys, next from here, you're gonna go away 1, left 2, drop on 3, 4. Then 5, 6, stay on left, turn 7 and 8. One more time. From here. 5, 6, 7. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7. Flex and 8. Alright? Very good. Faster. 5, 6, 7. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next. From here, you're gonna punch to your right. 1, 2, we'll change to 3, 4. For this one, back 5, 6, and 7, 8, and again. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and good job. Alright, next. End up on 7, 8, and front 1. 2, close on 3. Remember that, close on 3. 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, open on 4. Point to your, what here? Ready? 7 and 8. Then call 8, 8 and again. So 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. 7, 8, and good job. Next, for this, you're gonna go 1. See my legs first. Let's do the legs first. Right, left, side. Again, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. For this, shoulder 3. Drop on 4 to the front. 5, 6, and 7, not on 8. Let's do it faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Now let's do it everything. Let's do everything from the beginning. Non-stop. We're gonna do it twice. First slow, and second one is a normal beat. Alright, 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and slow. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2. Shoulder 3, 4, head, hip 7, 8. Now faster. You ready, girls? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2, 3, 4. Head. Good job.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. And of course, if you have having problem to getting the choreography, you can still pause or rewind the video. Alright? So see you next time and God bless all. Bye bye!